In this example, I took art by the great Boris Vallejo, one of my favorite artists, and applied another color palette to fit my idea. The AI will not copy the artist, it will create something new based on it. I am the art director giving references of style, theme, color, and composition for my artist to produce for me. I applied a prompt, and had the AI generate several images. I selected the best one, adjusted the prompt, and had the AI generate more images on top of it, and I chose the best one. I continued looping back, filtering, selecting, and manually adjusting the images in Photoshop when necessary. We're putting together a Frankenstein with the best images and uploading it back to the AI. As I couldn't generate a good body and a good face at the same time, I selected the face region and created a new file. I sketched the face so the AI knew what to do, and had it fit a face there. I chose the best outcome, applied it to the character's body in Photoshop, and then I used a collab to detail the face, and manually adjusted it. More manual adjustments to correct errors, focus, light and color, and my goddess of time was ready in less than 2 hours. My ideas, my colors, my concept, and inspiration from the work of my favorite artist. Artificial intelligence did the legwork, but I was the mind behind it. As an artist, this is how I use AI, as a tool to speed up my process, and not a genie in the lamp that does 100 of the work for me, and as a consequence ends up blocking my learning and artistic evolution. AI is my helper, my mentor, and my apprentice.